Hello everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's today, Tuesday, end of the month, January the 31st, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. As you know, 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And total of 7 extra puzzles, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Half of these puzzles I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Let me start with the regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Okay, what's the news of today? Well, news of today, let me show you. What's the news of today? Well, 85. The former queen, king's mom, Beatrix, today is her birthday. 85. Wow, 85. All right. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number, I believe, 5882. 5882. Here. Alright, 5882. Let me check if this is correct. 5882. But let me position the camera first. Okay. 5882. That's I believe 81, 82. Yeah, correct. 5882. Need to look for my old newspaper. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted. Medium Sudoku has always 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for this medium Sudoku, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will with 2 stars. And for a 2 star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the 3rd row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 8. We have 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there, here or there in this row. We see another 8 in the third column. So no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in this row. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in this box. We have 3 in this column. So no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 1 should be there. One box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. One box left now in this row for the number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 9, okay. Now it will be difficult. 5. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. 4. 1. Then 1. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright, we have a pair now. 7 and a 6 in the first row, 7 and a 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. And look, we have a 7 and 6 in this column, third column. So no 7 and 6 in this box. The 7 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. Alright. And now we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 7 and the 6. And 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 in this column. First column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. These 2 are reserved for the 7 and 6. So 1 digit left, 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, last column, so no 2 and 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 should be here. 2 and a 9 is a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So now we have 1 box left in this last column for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for number. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7, 7. 1, 1, okay. Now I need to think. 2 and the 9 are left in this column. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2 and 9, so these 2 should be also... 2 and a 9. Well, we have a 9 now in this column, so no 9, they're overlooked. So 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there, overlooked. Now we have 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, 6, 6. We have a pair. Same situation as with the 7 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this row. 1 and a 6 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 3 places left for the 1 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in the third column, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Alright. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. So we have a 1, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the same numbers I believe. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. See you later.